Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
This is สระอะ It makes the sound a, which is similar to the a in hat. Sara a is a long vowel that makes the sound a, like the a in father. Sara a is very easy to write. Just draw a slightly curved line and then drop straight down. Sara e. It makes the sound e, like the y in happy. This is สระ e. It is a long vowel that makes the sound e, like the double e in green. When writing สระ e, you should start on the right side and draw a line to the left. Then make a curved line above that goes back to the right. Then a short vertical line. Now let's take a look at one more pair. They are สระ and สระ You start by making the shape of สระ e. Then you add a tiny clockwise circle. For สระ you start by writing it like the vowel สระ e. Then you add an extra vertical line to the left of the first one. สระ and สระ They both make the sound like the O's in boot. The difference is สระ is short and สระ is long. Let's practice writing these two new vowels together. สระ 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 a. This is a long vowel that makes the sound a, like the ay in gray. สระ a หอนกฮูกงองู เฮง The shorter version of สระ a is สระ a. It makes the sound e, like the e in the word red. สระ a can be written two different ways depending on whether or not there is a consonant following it. สระ a ฟอฟัน สระอะ เฟะ When there is a consonant following สระ a, we have to write it differently. Instead of writing สระอะ after the consonant, we'll write a different symbol above the consonant. This little symbol is called ไม้ไต่คู It has the same shape as the number 8 in Thai. You write it as a squiggly line that starts with the head on the right-hand side. สระ a ชอช้าง ไม้ไต่คูคอควาย เช็ค สระแอะ and สระแอ They are written with a double สระ a before the consonant. Then, for the short vowel, สระอะ is added after the consonant. The sound of สระแอะ and สระแอ is like the a in cat. สระแอ This is สระโอ and สระโอ They make the vowel sound o, like the o in go. The short vowel is this one, สระโอ. As you can see, สระโอ is written to the left of the initial consonant. Here are the vowels สระเอ and สระเอ They make the vowel sound which is a little bit like the er in her, only said with a more relaxed throat. สระเอ สระเอ สระเอีย and สระเอีย The vowel sound they make is ear, like the IA at the end of the phrase Mamma Mia. You can see that it has three parts. Sara A is written to the left of the consonant. Sara E is written above the consonant. And Yò Yak is written after the consonant. If we wanted to make it a short vowel, then we can add Sara A after the Yò Yak to change it into Sara Ia. Sara Ua. Sara Ua. Let's write them. Sara Ua. Sara Ua. Sara Ua and Sara Ua. They make the vowel sound Ua, which is like a combination of U and A. Sara Ua. Sara Ua. Let's look at a new vowel. It's called Sara Ao. It makes the vowel sound Ao, like the OW in how. All you have to do is write Sara A before the consonant and Sara A after the consonant. Next, let's take a look at a new pair of vowels. These two symbols are called Sara I Mai Malai and Sara I Mai Muan. They both make the short vowel sound I, like the I in high. Start with a clockwise head at the bottom, draw a tall vertical line, then finish with a little zigzag at the top. Sara I Mai Malai. You start writing it the same way, but at the top you make a curl. Sara I Mai Muan. This is a good spot to introduce a new symbol. It's called Mayamok. This symbol is used to show that a word should be repeated. Sara I Mai Muan, Kho Khoai, Rò Rừa, Mayamok. That makes Krai Krai. Here is Sara Am. To write it, we draw a tiny circle above the consonant, and then Sara A is drawn to the right. From left to right, there are R, R, L, L.